Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute notifications on Snapchat. Now, if you want to mute a specific message or chat right here, so go to chat section, then find the account that you want to mute. So for example, this one, so tap and hold at this account right here, and then you'll find a chat settings, the third option. So we need to tap this one, and you'll find the bottom saying message notifications. So if you want to toggle off, it will mute all the notifications on this specific account. Now, if you want to mute all the notifications from your Snapchat, including a story or message, so all you need to do right here is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will go on your profile page. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right, which is the settings. And then you'll find right here the notifications button. So tap this one and you'll find here notification settings. So all you need to do is just to uncheck this notifications right here to mute that, for example, story messaging right here. And you can just also choose you want to enable notification here. So you just let it check right here on the box. But if you want to uncheck this all, it will mute all of the notifications coming from your Snapchat app. So that's it. That's how you basically mute notifications on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.